Google's apparently going to follow Apple's lead as far as advertisers are concerned in the tracking stuff. Although I don't know how. This is a tough one because Google's an advertising company. I'm like, how are you going to... Can you really follow their lead exactly? Because your entire platform exists to provide people with services that are ad subsidized. It's your business model.
Right.
I know you're getting into hardware now. I know you have, you can pull profit from elsewhere, but I think I don't know what it is. 90% of their business is, I don't know. I don't even want to put a number on it, but they do the majority of online advertising and profit greatly from it. So a portion of that is getting to know personal information of people so you can better target things. So I think that this mostly applies to the exchange of your information between parties, sharing with third parties. Google already allows Android users to opt out of personalized ads, but software developers may still access the user's advertising ID. That's your unique ID, Will, that says, hey, this is Willie Do right here. And these are his activities and interests and so forth. Now, they don't need to share your name. You can opt out and then they don't have the attachment, but they still have the advertising ID. So they have a profile, so to speak, a unique string of characters. Starting late this year, if a user is opted out of personalized ads, the advertising ID will no longer be available. So even that string of characters, which could potentially tie back to your interests and behaviors and so forth, it will just pop up now for that third party as a bunch of zeros instead.
So will it be as simple as like a dialog box, opt out, or just,
I think you got to dive into settings still.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I think so. Let's see. Following the change, if a user is opted out of personalized ads, the advertising ID, or maybe when you set up your device, the company said in a policy update that this rollout will affect apps running on Android 12 devices starting in late 2021. Will expand apps running on devices that support Google Play in early 2022. Okay, so maybe there will be a prompt at some point because this is rolling out into the future. It said it will provide an alternate solution to support essential use cases such as analytics and fraud prevention. So it will depend. Oh, here we go. Google's advertising makes up 80% of Google's revenue. So, I mean, I don't know that you can ever get to the Apple extent considering how core to that. It's kind of interesting though. I think of Google as an ad company. And they've transitioned to 20% of their business not being related to ads. So actually, I'm looking at that number and saying...
That's not bad.
I'm saying you're diversifying over here.
Yeah.
So you got the hardware. I don't know what else they got going on. Servers and services. Because like Google Drive, we pay for that premium monthly subscription. And there's no ad component there. I'm not getting advertising in there. Although sometimes you get very angry at Google Drive. One of the many things that you lose your cool over.
Yeah, the little things.
But like I said, guys, take it easy on Will today because it's been a rough one, all right?